Good evening, guys. Welcome back. And today I'm going to take session on local SEO. All right. So just give me a second. I will be starting the session here. 1 second here. Okay. So what strategies I'm going to discuss in today's session? That is really very exciting, right? Okay. So we will discuss all the strategies today. Great. Okay. Basically, today in this session, we are going to understand on how can you actually outrank your local competitors, right? So we are going to discuss a simple SEO blueprint for your small business, correct? So my dear friends, my dear students, before I start, I would request all of you that please subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. All right? Okay, let's get started. First, we will understand the fundamental concepts, then we will see the live examples also. So, my dear students, in today's digital landscape, right, there are many small business owners who are actually frustrated as they watch their core competitors dominate the search results on platforms like Google and Google Maps, right? But if you are among those struggling to gain visibility online, okay, so my dear students, you are not alone. Fortunately, I have a proven strategy that can actually help you outrank 99% of your local competitors without needing a huge budget or a technical expertise. Okay, so basically, this article is actually going to outline a straightforward SEO blueprint. Okay, so which is designed for quick results, allowing you to quickly reach your target audience, right? So this is a very interesting session. Yeah. So now we are going to go step by step with the live example. In step one, we are going to discuss about keyword research. So we need to understand the importance of keywords here, right? So, my dear students, as you're already aware, keyword research is the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy, correct? This involves identifying the specific words and phrases potential customers in your area are actually searching for your services, right? For example, if somebody is having a plumbing business in Austin, Texas, relevant keywords might include plumber in Austin or emergency plumber Austin, right? Okay. So we will understand the concept, then we will go back with the practicals. So if you want to build a solid list of keywords, you have to consider using the free tools. Now, what are those free tools here? One is Google Keyword Planner, which we have already discussed in my previous session. This classic tool will actually help you explore keyword ideas and search volume based on your location and services. This is one. Second is Google Autocomplete. Okay, you can start typing relevant phrases into Google and observe the autocomplete suggestions which reflect the actual searches. Okay, so this is one, right? We will see in the practicals. And then is ChatGPT. You can use AI tool like ChatGPT to generate localized keyword suggestions by incorporating neighborhood names or specific service areas here, right? So basically, what you have to do is you have to focus on low competition keywords that are highly relevant to your services. Okay, for example, instead of targeting best bakery, you could aim for gluten-free bakery in East Portland. This strategy can yield quicker results by attracting nearby customers who are actively searching for specific offerings. Right? Okay, so now let's get started. Let's open Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so I open here, I click on Start Now. Right? So I click on Tools, and click on Planning. Yeah, Tools, Planning. Then you click on Keyword Planner. Right? Okay. So today we will be taking the example of picnic pond Sholapur. Right? Alright. So now what I do is I go back to Google here. I type picnic spot near Sholapur. So these are called as Google auto complete suggestions here. Right? Okay. So you can see, right? Picnic spot near Solapur, picnic spot near Solapur within 50 kilometers, picnic spot near Solapur within 200 kilometers, picnic spots near Solapur railway station, right? Picnic spot on Solapur road. Okay, you get a lot of suggestions here, right? So what I do is I type here picnic spot near Solapur. So I'm going to give you an example of local SEO, right? So basically for this particular keyword, this is ranking on number one position, right? Okay, so let's say I click here. What you see basically, you see the local keyword is being integrated in the title, business title. Okay, so in your local business profile, your title can be up to 60 characters. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind here, right? So now what I do is I click on discover new keywords. Correct. So now if I click on discover new keywords, what I get here is I type here as picnic spots near Solapur, picnic point in Solapur, Vachi, Solapur, landing picnic spot near Solapur. Yeah, so these are location based keywords. So let's say you work in any country. Okay, so it could be US, it could be UK, it could be Australia, New Zealand, India. right? So any country, the logic is same basically. You have when you are actually optimizing for local business, your keyword has to be local keywords. So that's very important because local keywords are something which is going to give you inbound leads, right? Okay, so I click on location India for now. I click on get results here. Keyword research is very important, my dear students. So click download this in CSV file. Okay, so I download this in CSV file over here. Yeah, you can see all these keywords are low competition keywords, right? Okay, 320 competition is low, 1110 competition is low. Advertisers are not bidding for these keywords, so you have more scope to rank on first position. One day picnic spot near Solapur 2110, Huda party near Solapur 260, picnic spot Solapur 880, Solapur Huda party 320. Okay, so this is very important. Yeah, so let's say we take this picnic point Solapur here. Yeah, so this is ranking on first position here, right? So website is ranking 880. Yeah, so this is done very properly. Created a lot of content here, and you can see, so this is working on that particular factor, right? So we discussed about targeting low competition keywords, correct? Now we are going to discuss about website optimization. When it comes to local SEO, you need to build an SEO friendly website. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss on how you can do it. Once you have compiled your list of keywords, it's very important to optimize your website, right? Now, when it comes to optimization of a website, there are many questions which will come in your mind. A well structured site will enhance your visibility in local search results here. Okay, so now we are going to discuss on what are the core components of well structured site with a live example once I complete this pointers. Now my dear students, when it comes to optimizing your website, you have to incorporate your keywords strategically. Now, what does this actually mean? You have to place keywords in critical areas such as your page title, headings, and throughout the content. It could be any particular project for this. Then you have to create dedicated pages for each service. Okay, I will show you with a live example as well. If you are offering multiple services, you have to build separate pages for each one. This will help Google understand your offerings better. Then what is important here is you have to include location information. You have to ensure each page mentions your city or neighborhood to reinforce local relevance. And then you have to add contact information. You have to create a contact page with your address and a Google map to facilitate customer access. And then you have to utilize real photos. When you are actually optimizing your Google business profile, it's not recommended to use AI generated images. You have to use real, genuine photos. Okay, if you do this, this will actually help you to enhance trustworthiness, right? So let's get back to the example here. Okay, so let me show you the point website. All right, so what you do is, okay, so we open picnic point website, right? Okay, so first you could see in packages and services, we have created different pages for each service here, right? Okay, now what I do is click on view page source, control F, click on title. Okay, so we have integrated title here. Okay, this is picnic point and agritourism center. Yeah, okay, so we have integrated the meta description as well, right? I go up. Okay, so what you understand from this particular architecture here, we have placed the CTAs. The call to actions are very important, right, my dear friends? Yeah, correct. Immediately, visitor who lands on the website, will say book your visit now, and they will be taken to the website here. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain you over here is your website optimization will vary considering the needs and requirement of the business as well as the needs and requirement with respect to local SEO guidelines as well. Yeah, so considering the local SEO guidelines, okay, so this is being designed along with the requirement of the business as well. Yeah, okay, so if I click on home over here, what you get and how to reach us, scroll down. So we have the location as well. Yeah, so here it is. Contact us page is being integrated over here, right? Okay, so write to us. So this is being integrated for now. So this is just a live example which I'm trying to explain, right? Okay, correct. Now, when it comes to step 3, it's all about listing your business on map platform. Now, map platform means what basically? You have to claim your business profile. This is very important. Google Maps platform. To improve local visibility further, you have to claim your business on major map platforms. Now, what are those map platform, my dear students, my dear friends? Okay, let's discuss those. is Google Maps. Okay, next is Bing Maps. Next is Apple Maps, right? You can create or claim your Google business profile from this particular URL, google.com/business. Then you have to fill out all the details accurately and add photos to enhance engagement. Then once you have set up your Google business profile, then you can set up your Bing Maps here. Similar to Google Maps, you can claim your business on Bing Places for Business. So I'll show you how this is done over here. Okay, so just click on Bing Places for Business. Here you have to set up your business profile. Okay, new user, get started and claim your business. Okay, so here you can do the setup over here. Okay, so this is very interesting. Let's say you have a Google business profile, right? Okay, so already in Google business profile, import your business now. So instead of verification, you've already verified a Google business profile. Okay, so let's say you will get a message import from Google business profile now, right? Okay, let's take it an example for one of a project. Okay, so what we do is click on continue. Continue. Right? Okay, so basically what is this? So you have to sync your Google business profile to Bing Places for Business, or either way, what you can do is you can also claim or add your business manually. Okay, so this is what you can do over here. So you can add information, what is the business all about. You can say small or medium business, then you can define your country, your business, your location. Okay, so let's say if I type here as what, let's say copy this particular title over here, copy, network, search, correct? So here it is. Yeah, so Bing Places for Business would find this, right? Okay, so I click on claim business. Then you have to sign up using your Google account. That's it. It's that simple as that. Yeah, got it, my dear student? Easy. So I'm just trying to give you some live examples on how you can understand this, right? So next is Apple Maps. Okay, so you have to create a business profile on Apple Maps as well, right? Okay, That's simple. Just set up your account and just add your business information over here. Yeah, got it? So basically, what you understand from step 3 when you are listing your business on map platform, consistency across all the platform is very important. You have to ensure that your name, address, phone number, and website are identical everywhere. So this is very important. Your name, address, phone number, and website are identical everywhere. There has to be a similarity of snap. It's called a snap. This is how you build local citations as well. Correct? Yeah? Got it? Cool. So now in step 4, we are going to discuss about directory listings. Directory listings are only applicable for local SEO. You have to enhance your visibility through directories. So now what does this mean? While some may argue that directory listings are outdated, but it still plays a significant role in local SEO. You can start by listing your business on high ranking directories like Yelp or Better Business Bureau. So, so this is very important. Okay. Then you will also find industry specific listings. You have to seek out directories specific to your industries. So it could be Angels List for home services to boost visibility among your targeted audiences. Then once this is done, you have to maintain consistency. You have to keep your business information uniform across all directories to build trust with search engines. Okay, so important pointers here. Here, Better Business Bureau. So you have to list your business here, right? Then Angels List. Okay, so important directory listings which you have to keep in mind. Then step 5 is leveraging customer reviews. So there's a lot of power of positive reviews. Online reviews significantly impact local rankings and customer trust. But the question is, how can you gather them? Point one is you have to ask satisfied customers. You have to encourage happy clients to leave reviews through direct request via email or text message. One, then, or what you can do is you can provide them direct links to review site from your website, or you can create a dedicated review page. This is very important. The most important pointer which maximum business owners are missing is they're failing to respond to reviews. This is not recommended. You have to respond to all the reviews. You have to engage with customers by responding to their feedback. It could be positive or negative to show that you value their input. Okay. Now, the step six, this is all about building local backlinks. Now, when it comes to local SEO, you have to establish credibility through backlinks. Now, the question is, how can this be done? You need backlinks from reputable websites, okay, which will give signals towards trustworthiness to search engines. You have to focus on acquiring local backlinks by partnering with local businesses. Collaboration with nearby business for mutual linking opportunities. This is one for local backlinks. Second is getting featured on local blogs or news sites. Okay, so reach out to local media outlets for potential coverage that include backlinks. Okay, so this is pretty easy. And most important pointer here is sponsoring community events. They sponsor local events or charities. They often provide backlinks in return here, right? So once this is done, this is all about tracking your progress. Monitoring SEO performance. So how can this be done? To ensure your efforts are paying off, you can utilize different tools. I think we have already discussed this. Google Analytics can analyze traffic sources and user behavior on your site. And you can also use Google Search Console. You can monitor keyword performance and identify any issues which are affecting visibility. By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can adjust strategies as needed to enhance the performance. All right. So now let's conclude the today's session. If at all, my dear students, you are going to implement this SEO blueprint, this is going to significantly impact your online presence. And as a result, this is going to help you outrank your local competitors effectively. You have to always keep in mind that consistency is key. You have to regularly update your website content. You have to engage your customers with through reviews and maintain accurate listings throughout the platforms. With your dedication and right strategies in place, you will be well placed on your path towards achieving a greater visibility in local search results, my dear friends. So, with this, I end my today's session. If you have any questions, you can please ask me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +91 98 502 76340. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.